You know, turn me up a little bit, hey. You know what I'm saying? This little joint high nigga was up, man. Give a nigga fell, man. You know, you listening to this shit. I lost it all overnight, man. Yeah. I lost it all overnight. Yeah. You know what I'm saying? Yeah. I lost it all. I had the big boy crib, the big boy wheels. I used to step up in the spot, knew how the big boy feel overnight. Yeah. I lost it all overnight. And when you go to the dealer and give him 11 grand, you lead a lot feeling like a better man. See, it was my cash, but I signed the paper secondhand. And that shit came back to haunt me, nigga. Let's begin. Look, after that I dropped on the condo. My swag was from Jupiter, the drugs came from Congo. Then this bitch start playing these games I ain't got time for. I don't wanna do nothing, then end up doing some time for. But I wanna turn that bitch into a John Doe. Give her family RIP pics for a slideshow. I wanna pull past her house with the lights low. Turn the quiet strip into July 4th. My shit was rotating like the handle on a pencil sharpener. She want my bitch and we won't fuck it, just my business partner. I used to tax for 8 balls and get chicken off her. A nigga really ran up them digits off her. I can't front, that bitch had me up about 30K. I was taking my hoes to see LeBron and Steph Curry play. She used to bring in 5 racks on the early days.